Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make egg jelly, only way. Whisk eggs with a pinch of salt and cool stock, then temper eggs slowly into warm stock while stirring. Pour the mixture into molds and press out any bubbles for a clear finish. Chill the molds in the refrigerator until firmly set, then unmold gently and serve chilled with light garnishes for a clean, elegant presentation. Gather measured stock, fresh eggs, salt, and optional aromatics before starting. Bring the stock to a gentle heat but do not boil, then slowly whisk a small amount into beaten eggs to temper them. Gradually combine tempered eggs with the remaining stock while stirring to ensure a smooth emulsion. Pour into prepared molds or a shallow pan, cover to prevent skin formation, then refrigerate until the jelly is fully firm. After pouring the tempered mixture into molds, refrigerate on a flat surface to set evenly. Check firmness by gently pressing the surface. It should give slightly but hold shape. To unmold, run a warm cloth briefly around the outside of the mold or dip the base in warm water for a few seconds, then invert onto a plate. Slice carefully with a hot, dry knife and serve chilled with simple garnishes for contrast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.